prevents from, you know, tarnish.
This come out nice.
That's one nice. Okay, matte colors. There you go. Queen Bee, did you ask for this? Oh, I like that. I like them both. I would take, close that part, and I'm gonna take that needle, red needle. So please do not throw it away, because it's gonna protect your precision glue gels, stay nice, and prevent from clogging or anything. So I'm gonna seal.
2 minutes.
I'm gonna seal all of this to make sure they all stay on, and then we're gonna clear each of them. Clear this one. I have 2 minutes left. I really appreciate every single of you, and congratulations today for the winner is Foxy Loxy Nail Files. If you are not here, if you're here, congratulations. I don't want to miss you. Please email us your name and your shipping address, so we will definitely have a team ship it the price to you. And you got to name this one tonight, and the winner will be announced tomorrow. And all the products you can find on our official websites, and 20% off right now going on. So you can take advantage from a lot of products. Check out, really like dig in that, because it have a lot of $5 nail art sections, and a lot of kits is new for you. It's such a great, and top is 20% off on the top of this. So you can still able to take that. So are we done yet? So we're almost. We're gonna continue with this Pixie along with that. The Pixie is completely dry, but then it's gonna prevent this from clients catching on their hair. They can really enjoy this around cuticles area. And along with that, you make sure you get it all good, but do not using too much. You don't want to flood your crystals. So I'm gonna do this.
Yes, sweet bee. The sale will last until the end of August.
Yes, so it's really amazing sales for a special. Appreciate you all.
All right, you got
So I'm gonna be right back for Instagram.
All right, ladies, I will end the line now. Be right back.
This one is really nice though. Cool.
Okay, and Facebook still on?
Facebook is still going on.
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, this one is really nice. All right. Here. For 60 seconds, I'm gonna close this. Continue with our Facebook. Thank you so much, everyone on Facebook, all of you. I love you all so much. Appreciate. If you have your bestie that would like to learn some cool tip and tricks daily, which is weekday, please, you know, tune in with us. Here, the first nails. We're using a Weaver gels, and this is 2 colors I'm using. Is the bright yellows and teal, and I'm using this three pigments. It's 12 of them, but I've used 3 of this. So this one is really stunning. You can do so many. You can make jelly, gel. You can mix with liquid and powder, custom your colors. This 2, and this is the nails, second nails, and the third nails right there. Here you go. I did coffin this time for all of you, so then you can enjoying it. Let me just buff it quick.